So this is Ryan's Jamaican International Restaurant, representing for Technical DF. Technical DF TV. Stay tuned, watch and learn.
Ingredients for my pineapple melon drink. I have pineapples peeled, melon cubed, a ginger, moment of truth, guys. Melon pineapple punch with ginger. I got my straw right here. Yes. Can taste the ginger. It's almost like a ginger beer melon pineapple punch drink. It's really delicious. See you in the next video where I make carrot juice with Guinness. For more videos like this, subscribe. Hit the post notification bell so you can get videos instantly as I upload them.